Hello everyone! Welcome to Fox and Shapes. Let's learn about animals' name. Let's get started. Our first animal is elephant. It's an elephant. Elephant. Kids, do you know what's this? It's a mountain goat. Mountain goat. Our next animal is donkey. Donkey. Bye bye, donkey. What's this? It's a camel. Camel is a desert animal. Camel. Let's see our next animal. It's a giraffe. Long-necked giraffe. Bye bye, giraffe. Our next animal is cow. Cow gives us yummy milk. Cow. Let's see which one is our next animal. It's a dog. Dog is a very faithful animal. I love dog. Our next animal is buffalo. Buffalo is a very strong animal. Buffalo. Next animal is kangaroo. Kangaroo can jump very high. Kangaroo. Our next animal is polar bear. Polar bear. Bye bye, polar bear. Do you know what's this? It's a moose. Moose. And our next animal is tiger. Tiger can call king of the jungle. Tiger is very strong animal. Bye bye, tiger. And the next one is cheetah. Cheetah is a very fastest animal. Cheetah. And the last one is bear. Bear is a very strong animal. Bear. It's all for today. See you in the next video. I hope you like my video. Bye bye, kids. Thank you for watching.